We're back.
So we got some Burger King just gave us some chocolate milk and burger.
Chocolate milk and Capri Sun. Sit back. I got this.
Oh, so I like chocolate.
You ready to dive in? Okay, this right here. He eats a lot, so
Yep.
calm down. He see the toy and be ready to.
Burger King gave
The
me
lap kids Grettins. What is that? It's the toy he got. He see a toy and he's ready to dive in. Wait a minute. He got some fries. I'll be eating some of those. And a chicken nugget. They didn't give you no sauce. Yeah.
They gave me hat, but they gave me hat.
Oh, that's a cute little sticker thing. You want your burger now?
Yes.
You got another one. It's the same thing.
Journey can have
I
that.
just got him like a chicken nugget meal. And I got him a hamburger meal because he eats. Boys eat a lot.
Yep.
Go ahead and open this one for
And
him.
girls eat. Slide this one. Put it out.
Fries. They're gonna be a burger.
Mama eats just when they got that.
Look, he got a paddle in his hand. He got him a nice little
Look.
cheeseburger.
Let me see. Can I see, Mama? Oh,
They look good.
they put ketchup on it. Like
Mm-hmm.
McDonald's. Oh, guys.
That just got me
McDonald's?
cheeseburgers.
Mama likes cheese.
Yeah. Got pickles on it.
Ah.
I got me 2 of those.
They're going. They say, dang.
Look at him. He ain't even worried about the food. You want some ketchup?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am. I put that on my chicken, my fries.
I already had me a little juice. I got me some juice by the bed. I got some cranberry juice over here.
I have some chocolate milk
Mm-hmm.
on the bed.
Mm. And this is what we having for lunch.
Chocolate milk. Yep. Yeah. So Burger King.
I think I like Burger King better than I like McDonald's. He like McDonald's.
Yep.
He'll settle for Burger King. You know, I like Burger King better. Which one y'all like better, Burger King or McDonald's?
We like Burger King.
You're not supposed to answer that. They'll answer that in the comments.
Answer it in the comments.
Yeah, that's what you say. I got to put up with that all day long with 50,000 questions.
We
I
have a
get
lot.
survey every day.
So I say I'm fine. You gotta say.
Oh, let's say I grace. I gotta spank myself.
What?
Oh Lord, have mercy.
I'm thinking.
Yeah, we gotta spank ourselves for that. Come on, let's say our grace. God our Father, once again. Thank you for our food. Thank you for our food. Amen. Amen.
So we're probably.
God forgive us for eating so fast. Lord forgive us.
We do this.
So hungry.
We eat too much.
We've been not shopping. We went to the Dollar Tree.
Yep.
You said our grace on. Got to be thankful. Some people don't have a meal to eat.
They buy stuff.
No, they just ain't got nothing to eat.
And they buy stuff.
No, they don't have any money. When we go home.
So they go at the I forgot where it is. Oh,
I should have got me some more juice. Some people like McDonald's fries better than they like Burger King fries. Some people like Burger King fries better than they like McDonald's fries.
or
I like McDonald's fries, but I love Burger King burgers.
but I like
For some
Ryan,
reason, they so good and juicy.
and I like Ryan Jordan.
McDonald's, burgers seem so dry. Like, I don't know, is it Play-Doh? I don't know what that is. I mean, but the kids love it. They love McDonald's. So I don't know
I like
what
some
it is.
Play-Doh. I like Play-Doh. Guys, you like Play-Doh? Put it in the comments.
You say if you like Play-Doh, put it in the comments.
If you like Play-Doh, put it in the comments. So we're actually making a video on the phone. Oh, not the phone.
Yep. We're gonna keep making videos on the phone. 'Cause I ain't got no money for no YouTube camera.
So he's not going to cancel. I do watch Netflix.
We gonna use this phone until we can't use it no more.
But now we can't use a little phone. So it's old.
You had a phone, you lost it. You left it on the bus. That was last year though.
So I was starting to on the phone. So I was just playing. Play. I did play. Break. But I was playing last night. In that red. So I just jumped it. And I
Okay.
So
Eat your food, because you all off subject and don't know what you're talking about. Let's talk about McDonald's. What do you like about McDonald's?
toys.
See, he like the toys. You like the burgers and the nuggets.
Yep.
Only thing I really like is their fries. Look how juicy that burger is. Burger is juicy. Mmm. Mmm. What is that? A rabbit?
I think it is.
Mm.
So he just gets stuff.
You have some big eyes.
So he's cheeky.
You look like you got a paddle in his hand. Must be some new cartoon
He's breaking.
you coming out with.
He's breaking stuff.
I can't wait to see. I'm a big kid, y'all. I can't wait to see the new Toy Story. I am a Toy Story fanatic. I love Toy Story.
So Mama's.
I can't wait to see that.
Yep.
And the new Lion King. Well, I'm not really, because I already know what's going to happen in Lion King, but I just want to see how they recreated it. That's really what I want to see. But I want to see the new Toy Story. I think that comes out in the summer. So we will be definitely going to the movies to see that.
And guys, get in the comments if you like Ryan.
You talking about Ryan's toy review. I can't, man. I ain't even gonna say nothing because I get so tired of watching that and hearing that
And Ryan
all day long. And
Ryan
he act like he can't go a day without watching that. And all the kids are addicted to it.
So everyone likes this Ryan toy. They have
Not everyone.
one. I like it.
Yeah. Eat your food.
I'm gonna finish quick.
I need to go to Rose's and get a couple of things.
Yep. What is this? Oh, it's
I don't know if y'all have a Roses where y'all live at.
Mama,
It's
a
kind of like
bell.
a Family Dollar.
It's a bell, Mama.
Yeah, Family Dollar here too. Family Dollar. Is it Dollar General or General Dollar? Can't never remember which one it is. I wanted to go to I was watching what's that girl that does the coupons on here? One couponer. She's from Jacksonville. And she was showing
What?
her coupons, and she went shopping in General Dollar, Dollar General. She got a lot of good stuff. And I think she paid like 83 cents for all that. I was like, wow.
Guys, do you know Journey?
They know who Journey is. They ain't seen Journey before. Just your hand out your mouth. Eat your food.
It's time for you to eat.
That's what he do all day. Yop, 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 yop. Sometimes you got to tell him to be quiet. Especially at night when we trying to go to sleep. You call him Motor Mouth. Mouth of the South.
Last night, Journey.
He be from one thing to the next. One thing to the next.
Where's my chocolate?
He be quiet when you got to do his hair though. He want his hair done, but don't like it done. Oh, man.
When I was a baby, I did have hair.
You did have hair. You always had hair. And you never had a problem in that department.
But my hair was little.
Yeah, it was growing out. But you always had hair.
I know that, Mama. Guys, put it in the comments if you like burgers.
Put it in the comments if you like burgers. What kind of burgers you like. What you like on your burgers.
What did I say?
You just eat.
What do
You don't
like?
have to always say something.
What do you put on your burgers?
Mm-hmm.
Do you put cheese on your burgers?
I like cheese on my burger. I like cheese and pickles and onions and tomatoes
I like
and
pickles.
lettuce.
I like pickles.
You like pickles on yours? What else you like? Just pickles.
Pickles and grapes and snacks.
Pickles, grapes, and fruit snacks he likes on his burger. You trying to be funny now.
And now to get chicken on it. I just go to
Man.
the ketchup on.
You got finished with them. That's the last one, ain't it? I think I got you a 4-piece. That's all I had on there. I didn't have it on 6-piece, not on that thing. We ordered through Uber Eats. Been trying that out. Of course, we could have made this stuff, but I get tired of cooking. I said we was gonna take a break this weekend
So we're taking a break.
from cooking,
From cooking,
and we're ordering food.
and let me show you something. I will come back. Don't you dare move.
What are you finna go get? Now this was his idea to do this. He wanted to do an eating thing, and he doing everything but eating.
And here's those sticky tanks when I showed you.
See what I'm talking about?
You just stick them and they fall.
That's what I gotta deal with all day. And sometimes he'll argue with me.
I argue with Journey.
Yep, you argue with Journey because you be talking all in her ear.
I said,
And she say, "Oh, Major, leave me alone." in her proper voice. Oh, Lord, leave me alone.
That's what Journey said. Oh, leave me alone. when I'm talking, he's like, leave me alone, leave me alone. He keeps saying, leave me alone, and I don't want to.
You just want to be up under his sister all day long.
So Journey was holding my hand at her.
And she don't care. She don't want all that.
So you don't want to have. You don't
All right, he done stopped eating his food. He done ate all his chicken nuggets.
And
So I guess he'll eat his burger and his rest of his fries. Well, you know how little kids is. They'll keep coming back to it all day long. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video. We'll see y'all on the next video. And we hope you guys have a blessed day. Be kind. Love each other. Love yourself.
I love you too.
See you on the next video.